बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम 10th क्लास की फ़िज़िक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 17 इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है 17.3 फ्लो ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। ये टॉपिक आपको एज अ लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट पूछा जा सकता है। लॉन्ग में ये क्वेश्चन आपसे इस तरह पूछा जा सकता है, describe the flow of information, or what is the meant by flow of information? Draw a simple diagram of an information communication system. Give the function of each part. इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे फ्लो ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन से लेके ट्रांसमिशन लॉस तक। First one short question is, what is meant by flow of information? The answer starts from, flow of information means the transfer of information from one place to another through different electronic and optical equipments. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next, there is some forms of flow of information. First one form is telephone. In telephone, information is sent through wires in the form of electrical signals. Next one form is in radio, television and cell phone. Information is sent either through space in the form of electromagnetic waves or through the optical fiber in the form of light. Next one is the radio waves. Radio waves are continuously rafted by different layers in the Earth's atmosphere. This leads to weaken the signals, making it difficult to be received over long distances. Unlike radio waves, microwaves are not refracted. They are used for satellite communication. ये लाइंस आपसे MCQ में भी पूछी जा सकती हैं। Next one is the element of communication system. There are 3 essential parts of communication system. Next one short question is, how many parts of communication system? The answer starts from, there are 3 essential parts of any communication system. First one is transmitter, second one is transmission channel, and third one is receiver. You must draw this diagram. हर पार्ट का फंक्शन आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है। The function of transmitter is, the transmitter processes the input signals. Next one is the function of transmission channel. It starts from, the transmission channel is the medium which sends the signals for source to the destination. It may be pair of wires, a coaxial cable, a radio wave, or optical fiber cable. So, signal power progressively decrease with increased distance. यहाँ तक complete आप इसका function लिखेंगे। Next one, the function is receiver. It starts from, the receiver takes the output signals from the transmission channel and deliver it to the transducer. After processing it, the receiver may amplify the input signal to compensate for transmission loss. यहाँ तक complete आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one topic is 17.4 transmission of electrical signals through wires. ये टॉपिक शॉर्ट और MCQ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। फर्स्ट लाइन इज़ फॉर MCQs. Alexander Graham Bell in 1876 made a simple telephone model to send voice in the form of electrical signal from one place to another. Next one, short question, that is parts of telephone sets. Telephone set consists of a metal reed, an electric coil, and a vibrating diaphragm. Modern telephones also uses diaphragm to turn voices into electrical signals that are transmitted over phone lines. यहाँ तक complete इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one is the parts of telephone system. The answer starts from, telephone systems has two parts. First one is mouthpiece and second one is earpiece. Next one is the mechanism of telephone system, that it starts from the mouthpiece and the receiver contains two produces sound waves. Next one is the side block, important for short question and MCQ. The question is why sound is converted into electromagnetic waves before sending it to far off areas. The answer starts from the speed of sound in air just 1246 km per hour and it cannot go far away from its source. Therefore, it is converted into electromagnetic wave so that they can be sent to far off areas with the speed of light. यहाँ तक complete आप इसका short question लिखेंगे और speed of sound in किलोमीटर पर आवर आपसे MCQ में पूछी जा सकती है, that is 1246. Next one side block is for short question. The question is what are radio waves? The answer starts from radio waves are the electromagnetic waves and they travel with the speed of light. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one question is who transmitted the first radio signal? The answer starts from Marconi has the distinction that he transmitted the first radio signal through the air. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Next one topic is 17.5 transmission of radio waves through space. ये क्वेश्चन आपसे लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है. ये क्वेश्चन आपको पेपर में इस तरह आ सकता है, हाउ द रेडियो वेव्स ट्रांसमिट थ्रू द स्पेस. द आंसर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम electrical signals representing information to the and receiving system. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. First one short question is write the transmission of electrical signals. The answer starts from electrical signal representing information from a microphone, a TV camera or a computer can be sent from one place to another place using either cables or radio waves. Information in the form of audio frequency AF signals may be transmitted directly by cable. However, in order to send information over a long distance, it has to be superimposed on the electromagnetic waves. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन में आप इसकी डायग्राम बनाएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ रेडियो वेव्स, दैट इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम हियर. Sound waves produced at the radio station are changed into electrical signals through the microphone. These electrical signals are then fed into transmission antenna, which consist of two metal rods. Signals falling on the transmission antenna oscillate the charges which then emit these electrical signals in the form of electromagnetic radio wave. And the last step is at the receiving end, the receiver selects and amplifies the modulate signal. The demodulate then extract the information signal and deliver it to the receptor. Radio transmission and the receiving system. यहाँ तक आप इसका complete mechanism लिखेंगे. Next one is the side block, important for short question. The question is what are the components of radio tuning circuit? How does it work? The answer starts from radio tuning circuit consists of coil of fine wire wounded on the rod which is connected to the antenna. The coils are connected to the variable capacitors. The tuned circuit selects signals of only particular frequency. It does not amplify the signals from the transmitter with slightly lower or high frequencies. The voltage rises and falls as the frequency of the received signals increases or decreases relative to the constant frequency of the oscillator. Okay students, inshallah we will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.